What is going on in the Loop fans? It's Drew here, and check out what we got here from Kennywood. They sent us some pretty cool stuff, and steel curtain has gone vertical. That's right, we got our first support column. It's going into place right here, right now. So check out this video and see the construction progress. All right, that'll do it for this update here. You can follow all of the construction progress of Steel Curtain here on In the Loop's YouTube channel. Follow me on Twitter at DrewTheIntern, and we'll see you on the midway.